Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I've done a recreation of Tara Sutaria's makeup look from the movie Marjaavaan, and I absolutely love how this has turned out. So if you guys want to know how I recreate this makeup look, then please continue watching. So to begin with, I'm going to moisturize my skin, and today I'm going to use the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This is a really good moisturizer for oily skin girls, and it's super affordable. I absolutely love this moisturizer. It actually absorbs onto your skin and makes your skin super good, and it feels super light on the skin, plus your skin feels plump and moisturized and not at all greasy or heavy or sticky, which is a plus point. So for today's makeup look, I've used very less of moisturizer because Tara's makeup is very matte in this look, so we are going to go for a super matte look. So I've used very less of moisturizer. For primer, I'm going to use the NYX Photo Loving Studio Perfect primer, and this is a very good primer. So I'm just going to use a very tiny amount of the product, just this much, to use it on my cheeks and chin area where I usually get more of the pores, a little bit on the forehead as well, basically my T-zone and my nose as well. I love how this primer works onto my skin. It really feels super smooth and all the pores seem to be blurred out, which is absolutely amazing. Alright, so for foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline 24 Hours Superstay Matte Foundation. This is a full coverage foundation because guys, we have to hide these things, and the finish of this foundation is super mattifying, which is what Tara's makeup is all about. So I'm going to use this foundation today, and if you guys are wondering, I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. To blend the foundation, I'm going to use a beauty blender, which is my favorite tool to blend my foundation. So I'm going to just quickly blend the foundation. Can you see guys how full coverage the foundation is? So I'm just going to quickly blend this onto my face. So you can see that the foundation is nicely blended. All the blemishes and the pimples are completely covered up. Like, the foundation is super full coverage, and I absolutely love the effect and the finish of this foundation. For concealer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Natural, and I absolutely love this concealer.
तेरे जाने का गम और न आने का गम, फिर ज़माने का गम क्या करें, राह देखे नजर रात भर जाग कर, पर तेरी तो खबर।
Now to set and bake my concealer and the foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Finishing Loose Powder. I absolutely love it. This is really affordable and a really good powder to just bake or set your foundation and concealer. And I will definitely guys recommend you to try out this powder because it's very good. I absolutely love the finish of this powder. It absolutely mattifies your base, and it really sets and bakes your concealer, which I absolutely love. I also like to set my eyelids with this powder so that I have a very clean, smooth and matte, kind of canvas to do my eyeshadow. Then I take a fluffier brush and I just like to set up the entire foundation with the same powder. It really gives you a super matte and oil-free finish to your foundation and basically entire face. That's why I absolutely love this powder. So meanwhile the concealer is baking and the foundation is setting, I'm going to do my brows, and today I'm going to use the Benefit Brow Pomade, and I absolutely love this product for my brows. And you can see that I don't have a very good situation about my brows due to the lockdown and everything, so I'm just going to try to make them a little bit more presentable with this product.
बहुत आई गई यादें मगर इस बार तुम ही आना इरादे फिर से जाने के नहीं लाना तुम ही आना.
If you guys are wondering, I'm in the shade 5 in this pomade and I absolutely love it. It's a little bit pricey but totally worth it. And guys, remember with brow pomades, less is more, so I really use very minimal product to do the brows. Now to brush up and comb my brows, I'm going to use this spoolie that comes with the CHAMBOR eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to just use it to brush up my brows. And that's all for my brows. Now I'm going to take the same fluffy brush and dust away all the powder from my face that is excessively lying onto my face. So in this makeup look, Tara's eyes are very warm and very subtle as well. So for today, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and this is the Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. It's a very pretty and super affordable eyeshadow palette. It retails only $4.99 and the quality is also amazing. And I'm going to use this shade, which is a warm tone brown, for today's eye look. And I'm just going to blend it very softly onto my crease. Now I'm going to take a flat brush with the same shade and just put the shadow onto my lower lash line, very close to my lash line. And that's pretty much it. So in this makeup look, Tara has a little bit of eyeliner starting from the mid of the eyes and creating like a very small smudge like wing to the ends of the eye. So for that, I'm going to take the LAKME Iconic Kajal and do my eyeliner starting from the mid of my eye to the end and try to smudge it with an eyeshadow brush towards the end, so that makes like kind of a foxy smudged kind of eyeliner thing. So I'm just going to quickly do that. So that is what I've done, and now I'm going to just smudge a little bit from the starting point and the ending point. So I'm taking this kind of flat brush and I'm going to smudge the liner. So that's what we are going for, and it looks super natural yet amazing. So now I'm going to wear some eyelashes, and today I'm going to use the Pack 53 lashes. These are the tapered lashes and I absolutely love them because they look super subtle and amazing. So I'm just going to quickly wear them off camera and come back. So I've applied the lashes off camera and they look absolutely stunning. They look super natural and super beautiful. So now I'm going to apply some mascara onto my lower lashes, and today I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I absolutely love this mascara, so I'm just going to quickly apply this mascara onto my lower lashes. So now for contouring, I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I absolutely love this bronzer. In this makeup look, Tara has a very contoured face, so I'm just going to do my contour, like my heavy contour, with the Hoola bronzer.
मेरी दहलीज से होकर बहारें जब गुजरती है, यहाँ क्या धूप क्या सा
also going to contour my nose today because I really feel that she has a very nice nose shape. So I'm just going to do a little bit of contouring here. And to blend a little bit this, I'm just going to use the Damn Beauty blender that I used to blend the foundation to just blend a little bit the contour. And that's all for the contour. Now let's move to blush. So in this makeup look, Tara is wearing a very pinky and fuchsia blush, which is looking really flattering and really chic and beautiful. And I'm going to use the Faces Glam On blush in the shade Hot Pink. And this is a very pinky and super colored, vibrant blush that is absolutely going to match the blush that Tara is wearing in this makeup look. So I'm just going to wear this blush. This blush is actually very pigmented, so I'm just going to try to blend this a little bit more. If you see this picture of Tara, Tara has a little bit of blush on her nose as well, so I'm just going to apply a pinch of blush on my nose and a little bit on my chin. This blush is super pigmented, so you have to just take care while you apply this. Use a very little of product because the blush is really very pigmented. And that's it for the blush. Now for highlighter, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Rose Gold, and this is basically molten rose gold. And if you see Tara's picture, this makeup has very less of highlight. Basically the entire makeup look is super mattifying and really matte. So I'm going to use very little of highlighter just to highlight a little bit my cheekbones, and that's all. So I'm using this fan brush to take very little of product and apply it just here. Just this much, very little of highlight. Literally touching and applying the highlight. Because this makeup look is quite matte and we want really little of highlight just to make your skin look glowing. That's all. I have applied a little bit of highlighter here and somewhat in my chin, and that's all. So for lipstick, I'm going to use the Nykaa Made to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Janvi. And Tara's lipstick is somewhat pinky and it has a tone of fuchsia in it. So I'm going to mix two lipsticks today. The first one that I'm using is this one. So let us just first apply this one. I absolutely love Nykaa's liquid lipsticks. They are super good and affordable. So for this makeup look, I've not overlined my lips because Tara's makeup look is very natural and pretty. So that's all. So while the liquid lipstick is a little bit wet, I'm going to top it off with the Nykaa Paint Sticks in the shade 05. It is a pinky fuchsia pink color. So I'm just going to use a very less of it to top it on the lipstick. To get that fuchsia pink tone that Tara has. And I'm going to use a brush to blend both the lipsticks.
कोई तो राह वो होगी जो मेरे घर को आती है, करो पीछा सदाओं का, सुनो क्या कहना चाहती है, तुम आओगे मुझे मिलने, खबर ये भी.
And that's all. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. I loved how this recreation has turned out. Absolutely love it. I hope you guys have loved it too. If you really loved it, let me know in the comments down below what you think about this recreation, what suggestions and comments you would like to give me. I would love to hear those. So yeah, that's all about this look. I just loved it. And yeah, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my family. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. See you in my next video. Bye guys.